There are a total of 27 world's most advanced military attack helicopters from various origins. But which is the best attack helicopter in the world today? List 5 of the most advanced attack helicopters in the world. The analysis is based on a combined score of performance, speed, protection, agility, firepower, and avionics. This includes only the best attack helicopters currently in service. Here are the 5 most advanced attack helicopters. Augusta Westland A-169. One of Leonardo's newest helicopters is the AW-169, which is a 4.6/4.8-ton light medium twin-engine twin-seat 6 up to 10 passengers covering a distance of up to 440 nautical miles reaching 815 kilometers. Augusta Westland A-169. Top speed of 160 knots 295 kilometers per hour and up to 14,500 feet. Part of the Leonardo A family of helicopters of similar design and certification. Apache H-64. This attack helicopter has twin turbines with tailwheel type landing gear and a tandem cockpit for a 2-person crew. The Boeing AH-64E Apache Guardian is the most advanced ever built. Its speed reaches 300 kilometers per hour. In addition, the Apache Guardian AH-64E has a 30mm cannon and carries 16 AGM-114L Hellfire missiles, 2 anti-tank missiles. For AIM-92 Stinger air missiles or 2 AIM-9 Sidewinder air missiles, 2 anti-AGM-122 missiles, guided missiles, radiation missile, Hydra 70 pistol and rocket pod with 19 shots. CH-47F Chinook. One of the most recognizable advantages of the CH-47 Chinook helicopter is its fast air and heavy lifting capabilities. In addition, its unique design with 2 rotor blades makes it capable of performing operations on rough terrain that is difficult for other heavy-lift helicopters. In military operations, the CH-47F model variant is capable of carrying about 55 fully armed. This helicopter has a cruising speed of up to 300 kilometers per hour and a mission radius of up to 370 kilometers. Troops with a combined total payload of up to 10 tons. Eurocopter X3. The Eurocopter X3 topped the list as the world's fastest helicopter to date, beating the unofficial record of Sikorsky X2 on June 7, 2013 with experimental high speed. The helicopter designed by Eurocopter is now an Airbus X3 helicopter powered by 2 Rolls-Royce Turbomica RTM 322-0-1-9 turboshaft engines producing 1693 kilowatts of Westlink 2,270 horsepower each. The Westland Lynx has a top speed of 249 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest helicopters in the world. The Eurocopter X3 was originally developed for the British Army and Royal Navy. Lynx still holds the official absolute speed record for helicopters throughout its service. Mi-35M. The Mi-35M is Russia's fastest combat helicopter, produced by the Rostvertol company since 2005. This helicopter is the latest version of the Mi-24F, which is no longer in production. Equipped with the powerful turboshaft VK2500 engine, the Mi-35M is capable of flying through the air at a maximum speed of 310 km per hour. With an engine capacity of 2,200 horsepower, this helicopter is capable of flying with a maximum altitude of 5.4 kilometers. Besides being used as an attack helicopter, this helicopter also functions as a military transportation with a carrying capacity of 8 troops and can carry a load of 2.4 tons.